How can you learn the true history of NYC's financial district? Have you ever wondered how the financial district in New York City became the financial heart of the nation? To truly understand its history, we need to start from the beginning. The financial district is the oldest part of Manhattan, with roots tracing back to the 17th century when it was known as New Amsterdam. This area was a bustling center for trade and commerce during the Dutch and later British colonial periods. One of the darker aspects of its early history includes the operation of a slave market at Wall Street and Pearl Street in the early 18th century. This reflects the complex economic foundations of the district. As we move into the late 18th and early 19th centuries, the financial district began to take shape as a financial powerhouse. The New York Stock Exchange was established in 1790 through the Buttonwood Agreement, marking the start of Wall Street as a hub for securities trading. Federal Hall, located in this area, served as the first United States Capitol and is where George Washington took the oath of office as the first president. This connection links the district to both political and financial history. The 19th century brought significant growth, with the rise of banking institutions like the Bank of New York and the Bank of the Manhattan Company. The opening of the Erie Canal in 1825 transformed New York into the primary port in the country, further boosting the economy. This growth led to the construction of early skyscrapers, solidifying the financial district's status as a global financial center. To learn more about this rich history, visit key historic sites and institutions. The New York Stock Exchange Building and Federal Hall National Memorial are must-see locations. The Museum of American Finance also offers a wealth of information. Participating in educational walking tours can provide context about how the neighborhood evolved from a mixed residential and commercial area to the center of global finance. Additionally, understanding the district's transformation after the September 11th attacks is essential. This event led to a significant redevelopment effort, including the rebuilding of the World Trade Center complex and the rise of new residential and commercial spaces. Practical ways to learn about the financial district's history include visiting museums and historic landmarks, joining guided tours that focus on the area's economic, political, and social history, and reviewing archival materials from New York State and city institutions. Exploring exhibits that address both financial achievements and the difficult histories, such as the role of slavery in early commerce, can provide a well-rounded perspective. By combining visits to historical sites, educational programs, and research, you can gain a thorough understanding of the financial district's true history, from its colonial beginnings to its current role as a global financial capital.